Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the really cool, upgraded solar lights for outdoor use by Fitei, Fitei. Oh yeah. 118 LEDs, light emitted diodes, solar motion sensor security lights. With 3 lightning modes, 270-degree wide angle, waterproof outdoor wall lights for the garden, for fence, for door, for yard, garage, pathway, and it comes in a 4-pack. These are the 2022 upgraded LED super bright solar lights, equipped with 118 super bright LED beads and maximum 270 degrees wide angle lighting range, which can provide a bright and excellent illumination around our home, garden, patio, garage, pathway, front doors, etc. And with a sensitive PIR motion sensor and 3 intelligent light modes. The solar lights outdoors stuff has automatic mode off and it's charged during the daytime. Oh, automatically. Solar, baby. This is the main feature here. The sun will get, because of the solar induction lamp, will get the power of this sunlight, will transfer into light for the night. Oh yeah, that's cool. We have an induction mode, an half brightness mode, and of course in constant light mode. That means powerful sensor ball head can provide a high motion sensitivity of up to 9 until 17 feet and 270 degrees. The sensor angle provides comfort and safety for our life, and all weather resistance. The energy saving and durable solar light for garden, for example, are made of high strands ABS, professional IP65 waterproof function. Even under extreme weather conditions, it can be very weather conditioned against this. Easily, okay, baby. Solar security lights can be used in areas where there is no electrical supply, perfect for outdoor walls, gardens, patio, yards, etc. So we have to clean the solar panel regularly to ensure the efficiency of the charging at daytime. And of course, the energy needs the solar power. It will need the light of the sun. So don't get this into a dark area. Get this and install it where the sun will be. And it's really easy. These lights for outdoor motion sensor requires zero maintenance and easy to install as they do not require wiring cables. These outdoor lights can be mounted with the provided screws and put them into directly sunlight to take charge at least 8 hours. They can work amazing at dark nights for 8 up to 10 hours. The ideal installation height is about 2 up to 3 meters, and the simple installation can be completed in just a few minutes, as you can see. And it's cool, really cool, because you will not need any electrical supply. And this is good for the planet too, because it works with solar panels on it. That's cool. Solar powered IP65 waterproof, 270 degrees wide range, and 50 seconds illumination. Of course, you can choose, because of the 3 modes, you can choose another illumination mode. That means steady on, or dim, baby, or the short illumination as you like. And strictly tested batteries with motion sensor and 118 LEDs. So we have to charge fully the solar light 1 or 2 sunny days before we turn the garden lights on for the first time. We make sure to turn on the power switch of the solar security light for the first time using. We place or install the garden solar lights under directly sunlight without any shade to get fully charged. The charging time and the working time of the outer solar lights varies with the sunlight intensity, of course, geographical location, weather conditions, and seasons and other conditions too. So, if it is a dark day all day long, okay, it will not deliver up to 10 hours in the night. That's not possible because it has to be recharged before. In winters, the solar lights outer garden cannot get enough energy from the sunlight, for example, so it is normal that it has a lower brightness and shorter working time at night. So we have to clean the solar panel regularly to ensure the efficiency of charging, and of course they are committed to providing this our ours as customers with great shopping experience that will never drop us down. So it is cold resistant, it is heat resistant, it is IP65 waterproof. We have a lightning mode, we have a 118 LED beat, we have upgraded sensitive motion sensor built in on that devices. The outer lights allows the motion detection functionality at a distance of up to 16 up to 26 feet. These are 5 up to 8 meter across a wide angle of 120 degrees in a high response time. This sensor is downwards so as to detect more sensitivity than others, of course. And it comes with an efficient solar panel. The increase conversion rate is by 20%. The solar motion lights outdoor have 1,800 milliampere hour rechargeable lithium-ion batteries built in. These solar lights have been designed to be simple, bright, and of course effective. Super wide illumination range is on the device itself. The motion sensor outer lights constructed with 118 ultra power LED lights that illuminates a wide angle of 270 degrees when fully charged. The solar lights outer motion can provide super bright light to a wide area, and it's really easy to install. We unlock and activate the solar lights. We use a tool to make a spiral hole, for example. We put the concrete anchor, we install the outer wall light, job's done, baby. And then, of course, we can switch between the 3 modes and we will have a light in the dark time of the night. The Swift Eye solar garden lights helps us avoid parking in the dark. The solar wall lights will turn on for 15 seconds before automatically turning off until more motion is detected. And the solar security light will give us a good feeling. We are still worried about dropping in the pool in the darkness. We can install solar lights outdoor at the swimming pool, for example, to help us and our family avoid dropping into the pool accidentally. These solar lights can provide us and our family a soft light environment easily. And the bright solar garden light is really perfect for installation outdoor around our house to keep security on the go. These garden lights can also be installed on the patio or steps. No worry about production poor quality issues or bad using experience because it is a good and easy and cheap solar panel set here pack from 4 by Svitai. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again in the garden with that light. As you can see, it will shine so much awesomeness. Sun sun. Oh yeah.